It's that time again, guys. Masubi is getting another part. You ready for a new mod? Yeah? Oh, I bet you are, you dirty girl. So welcome back, guys, to another video. If I look like shit, it is because it's 9 AM in the morning and I thought I'd do my install now to get it over and done with because I just want to go test it out. So in this video we'll be installing my new short shifter for my WRX that is from Ultrex, and here we have the tools you'll be needing today. A flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, adjustable shifter, 12mm socket and circlips pliers, and a little prying tool. You should probably use a plastic one, but I didn't have one, so I've got a metal one, so I've got to be careful I don't scratch any of my interior plastic. So I'll just chuck all these back in the box and let's quickly unbox this. Okay guys, so I think I just need to pull this back. There we go. Damn, well that's all that was in the box, and here it is. Let's just unwrap it. There we go. That is so shiny, that looks really cool. Damn, I'm so keen to install this, guys. I just moved my car out here so it's not so dark in that undercover bit. We have a little bit of sun out here. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this install, guys. The first thing we're going to be doing is taking off the shifter. Then you're going to come over to your center console, open it up, and you see these two little screws down there. Just going to take those out. Okay, we then need to pop up this here. It's got a little clip in there and there's a little screw we need to get into. So I recommend a plastic prying tool. So let's hope this doesn't go badly. Okay guys, I resorted to the flathead screwdriver because that thing is terrible. But you should just pop it in there and it should just come up like that. There we go, just like that, and there's the little screw. There we go, there's the little screw. Just chuck it in there for safekeeping, and you should be able to just grab this and it should be able to lift up nice and easy. There we go, guys, just like that. Now what we're going to do, now that that's loose, we're going to loosen all the little tabs along here and take this out. I'm just going to quickly take that out because it's going to get in the way. There we go. This is so annoying doing this with one hand, but now you should be able to just pull it up, take this out, like that, and there we go. Guys, now that that's off, now what you want to do is these two little white screws. You're going to take them off with your flathead screwdriver. That took way too long. That was a lot harder to get out than I thought. Alright guys, now that we have the clips out, we can take off the shift bolt. There we go. Now I need the shifter to hold that because it's moving freely. Hey guys, finally got the nut off and we can remove this bolt like so. Man, this sucks doing this one-handed, but there we go. Bolts out and the shifter and linkage is loose. Okay guys, as you can see down there are two little holes. That is actually a clip that we are going to use the pliers for to get out, which is going to be really annoying, so I hope we can do this. Got the circlip out, you just should be able to yank it out. Yes, there we go, it's out.
Oh, that's easy, was it?
Yeah. Alright guys, here we have the old shifter and the new one, looking way better. So right now we're just going to transfer all of this stuff to the new one. Damn, I could just It doesn't look as good on camera, but I could stare at my car for hours, I swear. This looks so good from up here. But I can't drive it right now because it's currently out of order. Okay guys, we're going to chuck in the old parts from the old shifter onto the new one. There we go guys. All of the parts from the old shifter is transferred on to the new one, so let's get back into installing this back into the car. Installing it back in, you're going to want to install it with the barrel facing that way towards the engine, and it should just go back in like that. Yep, sits nice in there. The annoying thing is we're going to have to get that circlip back in, which was annoying to get out, and I think it's pretty annoying to get back in, so yeah, wish me luck. Okay guys, circlip is back in. It's nice and tight in there, all tucked under. And we're ready to put the bolt through the linkage and chuck it all back together. Shifter's all in. Just a tip, if yours is squeaking, I added a bit of grease in there and on the rubber around it, and the squeak is now gone and it's feeling awesome. So let's chuck this back on and let's get back to reassembling the whole thing. Okay, they're all down. Now to grab this back. Oh, it's like a big puzzle. Okay, your little baby screw from before. And back in there. Oh. Tighten that down. Just easy, a few little clicks. That's all back in. Now to put it back, our little screws in there. Alright, those are tightened down. Now just to put the shift knob back on. And there we go guys, it's all done. I'll in a sec show you guys the comparison between the old one and the new one, and show you guys the new Ultrex short shifter. Oh, it's time to see how she feels. I'm so excited. Alright, see how she feels. Oh my goodness. That feels so good, what the heck? Dude, that is so much better than my old one. Oh, that's gonna be so fun to drive with, no way. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse. I'm gonna quickly take it for a drive because I got to, and I'm gonna film my reaction of me driving. Hurry up and warm up, I wanna go for a drive already. All right guys, here we go. That's so good. No way, that's so fun. Oh bro. Oh, I can change so much quicker now. Oh bro. Oh, that's so good, man. What the heck? I'm sorry guys, I'm so excited right now. This was only $99 as well from Ultrex. $200 something. Alright, let's put her away and let's park her up. For anyone who's interested in buying the same shifter as I did, I will leave the link in my description, so that's where you can find it if you want to go cop it. I recommend you do, because it is a really good upgrade from stock. I don't know why I didn't do it as soon as I bought the car, but it feels amazing. Big shout out to Ultrex, you guys are legends. That's going to be the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed. That just put such a big smile on my face. I would just like to say thank you so much to Locke for making an install video on a different shifter that he installed. Go subscribe to him, his YouTube is right there. It helped me a lot and it made the install really easy, especially for me because I haven't really worked on cars in my life and it's helping me learn, so thank you to him. So guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more, and don't forget to hit the post notifications button, the little bell next to the subscribe button down below. Thank you all so much for watching, guys. Hope you have a good rest of your day or night, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.